sugar is a handy ingredient in food and beyond. It not only sweetens but also balances flavors, adds volume, keeps food fresh, and has many other uses. Sugar is also used in medicines, in making eco-friendly plastics, and even extends the life of cut flowers. Rathi Engineering Solutions offers state-of-the-art sugar grinding systems. The grinding process of sugar is an important step that can impact the quality and texture of the final product. By choosing the right grinding method and controlling factors such as particle size and temperature, high-quality sugar powder can be produced to meet a variety of applications. Our specialized seamless, single-stage, cool grinding equipment minimizes the rise in temperature and allows for a high degree of precise particle size control without the need for sieving. Our plants come equipped with the latest technologies ranging in capacity from 150 kg per hour to 1500 kg per hour. It is designed to perform clean and hygienic processes in line with international standards. The process begins with the feeding of the sugar from any overhead system to the Rathi air classifying mill through a rotary airlock valve. The valve maintains a uniform feed to the air classifying mill. Depending on the specific requirement, the rate of the feed can be increased or decreased using a variable frequency drive. The grinding process for the Rathi air classifying mill is a combination of impact grinding and air classification. Fine grinding occurs in the grinding chamber between specially designed carbide high-speed rotating hammers and a special multi-deflector liner. The ground material is subsequently conveyed through the classifier wheel. The classifier can be operated at different and variable speeds, which can be tweaked to control and obtain the degree of fineness of the sugar powder. The classifier rejects coarser particles, allowing only the desired fine particles to pass through the collection system. The rejected particles are simultaneously redirected towards the fine grinding section of the air classifying mill till the desired fineness is achieved. This reduces the chamber retention time and avoids overgrinding of the final product, thereby minimizing the rising temperature of the ground sugar powder. Thus, the particle size distribution and fineness of the sugar powder are maintained. The desired product flows through the classifier into the reverse pulse jet product collector via suction created by a centrifugal fan. The final product can be directly conveyed to its final destination from the bottom of the product collector or collected in drums or bags. The Rathi sugar grinding system thus provides an efficient, consistent, and precise solution, making us a trusted processing partner and market leader in the sugar grinding industry.